to the floor plan. If your kids are too young and they have trouble finding their position, what you can do is you can position the cards on the floor. This is going to help you create your Bollywood scenery in the next lesson. So, Alice, who are you? Who are you? Are you the director, the lights?
I am the sound.
The sound. Okay, Ben, who are you?
I am the scenery.
Okay. I am the audience. Okay? 3, 2, 1, take position. Find your position. Okay?
Yay.
Lights, camera, action! Good job. Okay. Ben, who are you?
I am the actor.
Good. Alice, who are you?
I am the lights.
Okay. I am.
Who are you?
Good.
Who are you?
I am the director. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Take position. Camera, lights, camera, action.
To be or not to be, that is the question.
Excellent. Okay. So this is a good way. They can find the cards on the floor. It's just like identifying animals or any other type of object. Lights, camera, action.
To be or not to be, that is. I thought we were doing something.
Okay. Let's play take position.
Yes.
Okay. We have to prepare a Bollywood film.
Oh.
So we need to learn how to position ourselves. Okay. We have, everyone, lights.
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 Lights. Okay. Scenery. Be a tree.
Scenery.
Okay. We're in the jungle, so nice tree. Mm-hmm.
Scenery.
Actor.
Actor.
Actress. Actress. Good. Okay. Everyone, director.
Director.
Okay, lights, camera, action.
Action.
Good. Cameraman. Mm-hmm, good. Sound.
Sound.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. And the audience.
Okay.
Great. Okay, now you guys turn around. Lights, camera, action. Okay, so now take position. Where does the scenery go? Where does the scenery go? Yes, Ben. It goes
here.
Good job, Ben. Good job. It goes here. Alice. Where does the cameraman go? Cameraman.
The cameraman goes here.
Very good. Very good. Alice.
Yes.
Okay. Ben, where does the director go?
The director go.
What do you think, Alice?
No.
No. What do you think, Alice?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Alice. Yeah. Director.
I didn't speak.
Oh, go. Ben. The
director goes here.
Yes.
Okay.
Good. Where does the sound go?
Oh, where does the
Sound.
go?
The sound goes here.
Ben says no.
I say no. No.
The sound goes
Here.
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Okay, Ben.
Where
does the audience go?
The audience goes here. Okay.
Good?
Yes.
Yes. Oh,
Audience,
great. Okay, Alice.
Yes.
Where does the actress go?
The actress.
The actress go here.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Good.
Good.
Goes
Good.
there. Good. Ben, where does the actor
The actor.
Go.
The actor goes here. No? The actor goes here. Okay,
Very good,
and
very good. Okay, Alice, where do
Do
the lights
the
go?
lights go.
Where do the lights go?
the lights go here.
Great.
Yes.
Okay, now we have our cards, and we're going to let our students pick the position they want.
Mhm.
Okay? What do you want to be?
I want to be the cameraman.
Okay, the cameraman. Can you find the cameraman? Great.
I want to be the sound.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. I am.
The actress.
The audience.
Oh, the audience.
The audience. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Take positions. Take positions. Yay! Lights, camera, action! Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay. Okay.
I want to be.
So now I'm going to give you a card.
Okay.
Any card. Pick a card.
Director.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to pick a card. Oh.
Oh.
I got lucky. Okay. So, who are you?
I am
I'm
the sound.
good. Who are
I
you?
am the actress.
I am the director. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. We'll take position. So position. You go here. The sound. I'm the director. Okay, ready? Lights, camera, action!
When shall we three meet again in thunder, lightning, or in rain? When the hurly-burly.
Wonderful. Good job. Good
Thanks.
job. Okay. One more.
Back in the pile?
Back
Okay.
in the pile. Can I pick a card?
Can I pick a card,
Yes.
please?
You can pick a card.
Can I pick a card?
Yes. Okay. I am the audience again.
Speak again.
Yeah. Should we pick again?
Yeah.
Let's pick again. Let's pick again. Up. Here we go. Can I?
Can I pick a card, please?
Can I pick a card?
Yes.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Okay.
Hey.
Who are you?
I am the cameraman.
Okay. Who are you?
I am the scenery.
Ah.
Who are you?
I am the lights. Okay. So everyone, we're going to take positions. Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Take positions.
Scenery.
Scenery. Okay. Lights. Lights, camera, action! Good job!
Yeah.
Good job! Okay.